Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished dress. Have a look at me. I made this dress with a piece of fabric we sell in my fashion house. You know that sometimes it happens that you need to look good and you don't have much time for it. I become very nervous in such cases. I run back and forth trying to decide what to do. This time, I didn't have free time at all. This is why I decided to make this dress. Round neckline, narrow shoulders. The fabric is absolutely amazing. Dresses made of it don't require making any yokes, darts, flounces, printed seams, and so on. I had to buy this pair of shoes because I didn't have a suitable one.
Придумывать в ней никаких линий, никаких рельефов, никаких кокеток, подрезов, кружевов, ничего. Испанцы все уже за нас сделали. Вот такой вот майка-платье лапша, и все мы звезды. Ну, как бы Екатерина Ивановна у нас такое платье сшила.
The piece of fabric we had in my fashion house wasn't big. We made a couple of dresses for our customers, and I'm happy that I made one for myself too. Such fabrics are absolutely amazing. You can look beautiful without putting too much effort into it.
Это сложно на самом деле. Вдруг среди рабочего дня, среди рабочей недели тебе надо куда-то пойти. А меня пригласили на шоу красоты Chanel.
I was invited to a special event for those who love and use Chanel cosmetics. I have to look amazing.
Там будут очень такие дамы VIP, и я в том числе, как бы я уж тоже не могла появиться как попало. Поэтому сильно задумались, какое же платье пошить. Ну и вот сегодня я вам показываю вот такое платьице.
My girls tell me to dance this way in this dress. Not like that, but like that. They don't care about the fact that a granny can break. It's also very important to feel amazing. If you don't feel good, no clothes or accessories would make you look good. I've already told you that the most important thing is your personality. Your outfit should reflect it. They are laughing. I haven't even broken yet, and they are already laughing. The fabric is pretty complicated. I know that it's not very comfortable. Anyway, it looks good, and I'm not going to wear it every day. Dresses made for special occasions are not always very comfortable. The dress itself is pretty complicated and beautiful, so I decided that I don't need too many accessories. This ring would be enough. I also decided to try a new hairstyle. I think that the whole outfit together with my makeup and hairdo looks amazing. I feel happy and I decided to share it with you. My motto is the same: be different and beautiful every day. Don't ever give up. Even if you think that there is no opportunity to be different, there is. The harder you try, the more you get. If you give up, nothing will ever change. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.